Hello! Today I am going to unboxing DreamWorks Kung Fu Panda 3 Awesome Edition on Blu-ray and Blu-ray 3D. Let's start with Blu-ray. A big variable of family fun. Paul and the Furious Five are back in a hilarious and critically acclaimed hit film your whole family will love. When Paul discovers a secret village of fun-loving clumsy pandas, he must train them to defeat Kai, a supernatural villain who threatens to destroy Kung Fu. The best Kung Fu Panda movie yet. The whole family will love it. And an awesome extras includes Everybody Loves a Panda Party, plus optional karaoke with Poe, Poe's posters of awesomeness, Panda Paws, Make a Panda Party Paper Pal, Playing Like a Panda, The Origin of Skadoosh, Fox Paws, Kai and his Zombies, Nunchuck Princess music video, Gallery of Epic Artfulness, and the world of DreamWorks animation. So let's open up now, shall we? Here we have is a Blu-ray disc. Next we have is a Blu-ray 3D. So let's open up now, shall we? Here we have is a Blu-ray 3D disc and a Blu-ray disc. And there you have it. Well, I hope you join DreamWorks Kung Fu Panda 3 Awesome Edition on Blu-ray and Blu-ray 3D.